This is the RoboShot 12 USB, and this is Vaddio's new ClearSHOT 10 USB. I feature simultaneous USB 3.0 and IP streaming.
I feature simultaneous USB 3.0 and IP streaming with an HDMI output.
Well, I have an advanced image signal processor that reproduces rich, vibrant colors in resolutions up to 1080p.
I use the same image signal processor and feature tri-synchronous pan, tilt, and zoom.
Browser-based PTZ and remote management mean you can control me with your PC, tablet, or phone. And you don't even need an app for that.
I can do that too.
Okay. I don't have TriSync, I don't have HDMI output, but
But what?
But I am 2/3 of the price.
Dude, I thought you weren't going to bring that up.
Yeah, well, I guess the secret's out then.
Dude.
Introducing the ClearSHOT 10 USB.